Hi everyone, I'm back on the sales tip for the week. Um, Today's tip is more of a question and something to think about when you're out in the field today. Is are you just trying to sell insurance or trying to become a next level insurance planner? See, I see a lot of videos online on YouTube as I scroll through the feeds about how to sell insurance. How to sell more structured final expense Medicare, the not the low end, but the lower tier of insurance. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but it's just that it's more of a need-based product, right? So way I position our insurance is we are insurance planners, not just insurance agents. Insurance agents are just selling product out there, hustling for FE sales, hustling for protection sales. And if you want to take your career to the next level, you need to separate yourself from being just another insurance agent. See, there are 1.5 million insurance agents out in this country, right? The average agent between 40 and $50,000 a year. Where on the flip side, less than 2 or 3% are high level insurance planners, with the average income of being 100 to $350,000 a year. Where is it you want to be? So I want to cover 3 reasons why you want to make a transition from being just an insurance agent to a high level planner. And the first reason is less prospecting. You know, how much easier would your job be if you didn't have to see 15 or 20 people a week or have to set 15 or 20 appointments a week? See, the guys I'm training and working with that are becoming the high level planners are working, maybe 30 hours a week and only setting 5 new appointments a week. So how much less time would you be spending prospecting? On top of that, reason two is it's less costly in a lot of ways. Some of the other guys at the highest levels want to spend tens of thousands of dollars a month on marketing and prospecting. I'm not like that. I'm not trying to make a $2 billion a year income. So I do everything on a more small scale basis as far as training agents how to become that high level planner. Once you get established, then you can spend money on marketing and be more efficient with your job and so forth. But starting out, you should have a lot less cost. See, a lot of guys are out there buying leads and trying to transition their leads into high level insurance sales when they're just more protection leads or just FE leads. So when you're buying, 100 to 200 leads a week, spending between $1,000 and $2,000 on leads, you should be able to spend a lot less if you look for 5 new appointments. So they're the first 2 reasons: is just less prospecting, less cost overall. And the third reason, and the best reason of all, is it's more rewarding. If I'm out there selling FE, more protection, the average commission is between $600 and $1,000 a policy, right? So in a good week, if I close all 20 of my appointments, I can make $20,000 a week. I can make $10,000 a week, right? And I'm having to work my butt off to see that many people, to prospect that many sales, get appointments to stick, and so forth. Where becoming the high level planner and working with the right market to sell more IUL, whole life policies, or annuities, whatever market you want to be into in that insurance planning world, the rewards are much higher. My average commission for my policy between $4,000 and $8,000 a sale. I have guys that make between 2 and 6, 2 and 12, per sale. So if you saw 5 new appointments a week, 5 new prospects a week, and you closed 5 sales at $4K a pop, you made $20,000 working less than 2 hours, maybe 3 hours tops. Which is better for you? So if you want to transition from just the norm and break free from what everybody else is doing into a market that has unlimited potential, that has the ability to be easier to prospect in, be less costly to prospect to, and could make 300 to 400% more income doing it, what are you waiting for? How much better off would you be if you could be able to cut your prospecting time by half, be able to increase your commissions or rewards by 2 to 3 times that amount? What would it mean to you and your family? Again, I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. I'm just trying to give you some ideas and something to think about how it's going to help, how you can help yourself build a better practice. You know, if you want to really change what you're doing and change your career trajectory to get to a higher level, so you're able to work less, spend more, have more time with the family, or like some of us get caught up on our retirement goals in a very short order. So we have the time we always dream about personally. It's time to make a change. You can't do what everybody else is doing and expect to be successful doing it. All right. If you guys have any questions of becoming a high level planner, what that entails, what that means, how it could build your practice into it, reach out and give me a call. I'm here to help you. 877-297-4608.